Hi everyone, it's me, Jonathan. It's been a little bit since I did a video, so I just got home from work and changed a little bit. And I picked something up from Coach. Shocking, right? But a little backstory. Um, I went to Coach Outlet because I have an outlet near where I live, and I'm not generally the biggest Coach Outlet person. I do have like a couple bags by Coach Outlet. I usually prefer like the actual Coach boutique because I have like my person there and stuff. But I did end up going to the outlet. One of my first uh, like designer, I guess you could say. I consider Coach designer. Just my thoughts on that. Bag was from the outlets, and specifically this outlet, kind of when I got my big boy job, so to speak. So it has a special place in my heart for sure. And I still have that bag, and I don't think I'll. I think that's one of the bags that I will never get rid of. So if you would like to see that bag in a video, let me know. Um, but anyways, so I saw Coach Outlet released um, this collection, and originally I saw one of the bags, um, like a person I follow, a bag person I follow on Instagram. I saw that um, she got like it earlier than the U.S. did. Um, so I've been waiting for this collection to drop. Well, anyways, it dropped today, I believe. I saw that, and I quickly you know ordered it or like reserved it so I could go pick them up at the store. So I did. I got multiple things, um, which was a little weird and kind of annoying. I got two bags, and then I got a card case and then another bag. But I only have two bags with me. The card case and the other thing will be shipped, even though I did see them at the store, which was really annoying because it said that they weren't there, even though they were there. Anyways, I didn't feel like buying it again and then having to return and do all that stuff, so I'm like, it's fine. I'll just get it once it finally, gets sent here. I didn't get everything that I ordered, which I kind of ordered a lot to be honest, but like it is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. Um, and then I also bought something else. So I have three things to show you, but I bought something else unrelated to the collection that I didn't know I was gonna buy, but bought, if that makes sense. Because I saw it and I was like, yes, absolutely, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so the first one I got is this one right here. I'm so excited. Oh gosh, what is this one called? It's the something 19. It's the. I don't know why I forgot the name. Let me see if it says on the tag. The Nolita. Oh my gosh, I am. Oof. Okay, so this one's the Nolita 19. And I am absolutely obsessed with this pattern. Look at it. It's all tropical and I'm obsessed. I love this so much. Um, so it comes with just like the shoulder-esque kind of strap or like how that. Honestly, I know a couple of YouTubers do this that I've seen where they cut off this right here. And I'm honestly thinking about doing the same, just taking this part off and then just using a crossbody strap because I have several that would work perfectly for this bag. So I'm thinking that's actually probably what I'll do is I'll cut this one off and then just use my crossbody one. But it is so cute, oh my gosh, and it feels nice. I mean, I'm trying to remember what the other ones feel like. This is smooth. or this is leather, the calf leather, and it does have just the inside. It has the large pocket and the 2 card slots right here. I don't. This is my first Nolita. I don't have any ones like this. I have the Coach Swinger 20, which I can do a video on, which I absolutely love. Which is, I guess, would be kind of like similar to this. But I did order another one, another Nolita 19, with it's like the terracotta and like the small sea print over it. That one's a little bit different, which I liked because it has the 2 clips on both ends versus the 1. So I'm excited for that. That way I don't have to cut it off. But I did order one of those just as like a more everyday bag, because the problem with the Coach Swinger 20, at least the leather ones, not the, sorry, got hair in my mouth from my cats. At least for the leather ones and not the denim ones, is that I just feel like they're gonna scratch super easily. So it's not something I just want to carry willy-nilly about. I want to be a little bit more cautious with it, but I feel like these, I'm not too worried about if they get a little beaten up, if that makes sense. Especially if it's going to be the canvas material. They're pretty scratch resistant. Well, anyways, so this is this one right here. Super cute. I'm super excited about it. I've been wanting this for a little bit ever since I saw my one person I follow have it. And then I got this one, which is, it's still the Nolita, but this is in the smaller size and it has a different print to it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see on the camera, but it's like little surfer people and then like the palm, and then it does have like the little C monogram logo in the back as well. Let's see what size this one is. I'm so sorry, I should have looked before. This is the 15, sorry. So this is the Nolita 15. So adorable. So the card case I got is in this print right here. And then I got the like the fanny pack-esque kind of one, and that one's in this print right here. So those should be hopefully coming in within the next week or so. Super excited. This is so cute, so cute. So I'll probably do the same as far as maybe cutting off the strap, just because I really do like, we'll probably just wear this as like a small crossbody kind of situation, versus it being like a shoulder or just one that you throw in a bigger bag, which I mean I could still do, throw it in like one of my totes or something like that. But super excited about these guys right here. Do like a thumbnail picture or something, but very excited about those. Okay, so the next one I got is one that I've been kind of wanting, but not really, if that makes sense. It is technically the boutique Coach, or the retail Coach. This is the Coach Rogue 25, and this is the, what collab was this one? Oh, let me see. I think it's on the hang tag, it says. I can't read that. Well, anyways, this is one of the collabs that was done with Coach. As far as like the lips and stuff goes, I actually have their big pouch with the one that was smoking a cigarette, which I absolutely love that motif. So I got this one, this Coach Rogue because it was paid less than like $300 for it, and you know how much Coach Rogues go for, especially the it's the all leather too, and it's like the light camel. Is what they're saying, like yeah, light camel, um, which is amazing because the one I have is in like the fabric esque, so I really wanted one that was more or less the leather, but as much as I really do love the Rogues, I just have a hard time spending like almost $1,000 on some of them. That some of them are. So I did, feel a little bit better seeing this one. And I didn't. I saw, because I actually went kind of recently with my mom. Um, a couple days ago, and they had this one, but they had it with like the smaller lips that were everywhere, and that one was in like the same fabric motif. I saw that one, and I was just like, I don't really want that because I have one kind of similar to that style. So I wanted one that was, leather and whatnot. So I'm really glad I went back and that they had this one out. So that's really cool. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. So it just is the kind of like canvas interior. You have a pocket in the back, and then you have your pockets here with your story patch, and then you have another pocket back here. And it is the I'm trying to think what leather this one is. This might be calf leather. I'm not really sure, but it is super smooth, and I am just super excited. Absolutely love it. And this is the newer one, so it does come with your 2 detachable, like your shoulder straps right here, and then it does come with the crossbody as well. But yeah, a little bit late to the game as far as like the collab goes, but I did get it on sale, and I'm really happy with it. I think it's a fun statement piece that it's a little bit different that not everybody's gonna have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It does have feet, by the way, in case you were wondering. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you'll stay tuned for my next one.